Agnes, what was that? Were you actually having a holiday at a 5-star luxury hotel suite?
I wish, Gerald, but no, it's actually a sneak peek of the master bathroom during the night time for the house we're going to introduce to all our viewers today. But yes, it surely does match the luxury of a hotel suite.
Welcome everyone, I'm Gerald.
And I'm Agnes. We're from Orange Tea AAG Landed 7772, and today we are delighted to present to you this amazing property in District 14, 81C Jalan Senang, that redefines modern luxury living.
Nestled in Kembangan Estate, this brand new 3-story with attic inter-terrace house sits on the generous land size of 1881 square feet and a massive built-up area of 5721 square feet. And with an impressive 7-meter wide frontage, there is ample space in the car porch for you to park 2 cars comfortably. Now, let's follow us into the house.
As soon as you walk in, you'll be amazed by the high ceiling in the large living and dining area, giving the house these free and open welcoming vibes. Every corner of this house is filled with natural lights thanks to the thoughtful design and south-facing frontage. And the kitchen is an open-plan wonder that's both stylish and practical, great for having friends over or just for your day-to-day life.
And for those who value convenience, this house comes equipped with its own home lift, perfect for multi-generation living or just an added touch of luxury. All 5 bedrooms are ensuite, offering privacy and space.
This well-landscaped skywall, featuring a SKK spray-painted wall with natural boulders and pebblestones, brings abundant light and fresh air into your home.
The centerpiece has got to be the master bedroom located in the attic. It's a sanctuary of total privacy with an unblocked view and a luxurious hotel suite-like bathroom. Imagine waking up to this every day. It is not just a bedroom, it's a retreat.
This place is a gem. Only a 12-minute stroll from Kembangan MRT station with renowned schools like Mahabodhi and St. Stephen's nearby. It offers the convenience of a quick drive to Bedok Mall and easy access to PIE, making everything effortlessly within reach.
This house is ready for you to move in and start your new chapter in luxury and comfort.
Don't miss this opportunity to own this exquisite property. Contact us for the viewing and let's turn your dream into a reality. AAG Landed 7772, your compass for landed properties.